Do you want to know the secrets behind this brew? Let's first fly to Amsterdam. Join us for a Heineken Experience and get behind the scenes of the second most popular beer brand in Europe. Embark on an incredible tour and immerse yourself in the art of brewing lager in Heineken's original brew room. Skip past the long waiting lines to enjoy 2 perfectly chilled beers at the best damn bar. Here's a sneak peek into Heineken's oldest brewery. Start by exploring the rich heritage and evolution of a brand that has been around for over 150 years. Discover how a small Dutch brewery became the world's premium beer brand and find out the story behind the Red Star. See Heineken's bottles transform through time, from old school to modern cool. Check out the legendary World Bottle, the brick that holds beer, and all the innovative designs that made Heineken bottles iconic. It's a trip through style, and you'll definitely want to raise a glass to that. Get down to the shop floor and feel the brewing magic. Explore the original brew room from 1864 and gear up for an interesting journey through the brewing process and the art of bottling. It's just like being in a beer factory, but without the hard hat. Experience the brewing and production process in an immersive spatial experience where you are the beer. Prepare yourself to be brewed in the kettle and then hop onto a virtual conveyor belt to be bottled. Step into the couch room for a final turbulent ride and enjoy the mind-boggling visuals. This is where you get to unleash your inner artist. Create your very own Heineken bottle design, putting your personal stamp on this legendary brand. Showcase your style and have a beautiful masterpiece to take home. Discover Heineken's remarkable innovations in brewing technology, sustainability, and creative marketing campaigns. Delve into the Heineken that goes beyond beer through their worldwide sponsorships like UEFA Champions League, Formula 1, and W Series. Heineken doesn't just sell beer, they sell fun. Enjoy some exciting virtual beer pouring, football and rugby games with your friends. Immerse yourself in the electrifying world of Heineken's Live the Music experience, where every touch plays a beat. You won't be on your way without finishing strong at the best damn bar. Savor not 1, but 2 expertly poured brews of Heineken. And don't forget to say Proost. Add a 1-hour scenic canal cruise to your itinerary and explore the sights and sounds of the Dutch capital along your way. So, round up your crew, raise a glass, and let the Heineken Experience be the highlight reel of your next escapades in the heart of Amsterdam. Cheers to making memories and embracing the spirit of Heineken.